Hello guys. So today's subject is about recommendations about gap downs. Now the reason for making this video is try always to understand how the market works, because if you don't understand the probabilities that we spoke about in the other video yesterday, you will end up making big mistakes, and these big mistakes can affect your trading. Okay, so let's see. And these mistakes can affect your account, and it's not just your trade, but it affects heavily your account. I will explain. Now, when you buy a stock, okay, you buy a stock according to your strategy, according to your techniques. Maybe you have been many days into this stock and it is doing good. Hi, Samarad, how are you? Hi. And let's see, let's just me put the title. Gap down solutions. Okay, so okay, so as I told you before, you buy a stock, you are saying, or you are holding the stock, it was doing very good. Okay, few days or few weeks or even a few months. There is something that you should understand, that it is hidden, although you know it, but it is hidden. And when it comes, this thing, it can make a big change in the stock. All we do mistakes. I'm telling you, everybody is doing mistakes. But each person, especially for swing traders, it means short-term traders, and investors also, they got this, but each one see it from one angle. Now, day traders, they don't have this problem. I'm telling you from now. So if you are a day trader, this, although you can see it, you can trade it, but it doesn't affect you. Okay, except when you are in at that moment. Now, what is this thing that we are speaking about? We are speaking about gap down. Understand. A gap down, sometimes it is something that you can do nothing. Okay, I will give you an example. Apple or technology sector has all got a gap down a few weeks ago. It's just because of a downgrade. It means some analysts, they say these technology stocks are not so good, so they are overvalued. It means we give too much money and they are not worth it. So some people understand, the day traders, when they hear the news They go and they short all the sector. It's not only one stock or two. Everything in that sector was shorted. It means it's not just one stock, or it's not one industry, but the whole sector, technology sector. Now I will show you from the chart, and I give you example, and you will understand why is that. Okay, so I'm going to check first where to find the information, and then I will explain. Okay, so bear with me, guys. Let's see. So let's see Apple. Now, do you see here this do you see this gap down here? Okay, all the stocks in technology sector have had this thing. So it's not if you go to other companies, they did not get this gap down, because it is not earning news that we know. Okay, here if you can see, it's not earning news. If you go to these days, which is the 2nd of January, okay, you will find that it is not a news. Okay, it just something comes after the announcement of the downgrade. Now let's go back. So sometimes, like this news, you are not prepared and you don't know, and you have no clue. No one knows. Maybe you can't predict these things. Like something happened nationally or internationally. Those events you can't monitor because you don't know. Maybe you are sleeping, maybe you are working, maybe you are wherever you are, and then this happened. So like this kind of news, there is nothing to do, okay? Because you are like everybody else. You are trapped in this news. But the whole market can happen like this, as you can see. Okay, you get trapped in the news. But this is okay, because even if it comes, it doesn't come each day or each month or each year. Okay, it comes each year once, or maybe 2 years once. So it's not a news that you should worry about. What you worry about is earning news. This is the most important thing I'm talking today, and to show you how you say, can you increase your volume? My volume is so high, so I don't know. You say, can you increase your volume? I don't know. Check again. Check again, Samarad. I am near my microphone. I don't know. It seems working perfectly here. Okay, so I see it's working. It's working good. So just to check again and see what's wrong. Okay. Hope it's doing good. Oh, you get it? Oh, okay. Now, so my recommendations are very simple for this video and for these gap downs. Now, why I say just gap down? Why I don't say gap up? Now, when you have a gap up, you are happy, and a lot of people, they don't want to talk because they are happy about this. But for me, I am always concerned with risk. How you should not risk too much money in any trade, because this can affect your account. Okay? So, here is the recommendation. Okay? First, whenever you buy a stock, the first thing, before even you buy the stock, go and check the earning news. Understand that earning news is the biggest danger in following the trends. Earning news sometimes can be good and sometimes can be bad. So you should know about this earning news, okay, before you buy the stock. Not just you buy and then you check. No, you should check the stock, and then let's say you want to buy today, which is Wednesday, okay, and Friday, just Friday, is the earning news. So are you okay with this earning news? Don't say I am optimistic, or I hope that I have a gap up, or I hope that this stock doesn't move that much up and down, so it's okay. So don't try to play the hope thing, because it doesn't work. Okay? So I give you solutions to what to do, and you can choose whatever you want. So if you are scared of this news, don't buy that stock at all. Don't buy it because it's near. If we have, for example, 1 month or 2, and then we have earning news, the earning news are so far away from you, you can buy it right now, okay? Because you like the stock, it's according to your rules, according to your strategy, you can buy it, it's very good, no problem. But when it is near, you should understand that this stock can get a gap up and you make a lot of money, but also it can go down and you lose a lot of money. Okay? Now, second thing, let's say you bought it for 1 month and now it is the earning news. So what you should do? Let's say you accumulate some profits. Let's say $1,000, $2,000 according to your account. So when I speak 1,000, 2,000, I don't know what is your account, but I just say $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. You accumulate profits, and then this earnings come. Let's say it is today, after the market close, and you are in the morning. So you should decide what to do. Are you going to hold for the news, earning news? What if you lose everything? Are you okay with that? So everything depends on how much risk you want to take. So this is the first thing. You want to hold. Either you have a gap up or you have a gap down, it's your problem. Because you understand that you might lose all your profits. Okay? And that if that is okay with you. Second thing you can do is you can sell half of your shares, or 75% of your shares, you sell them, and you leave just a little bit just to to see if you have a gap up, it will be okay. If there is a gap down, at least you will not get burned in this trade, and you still make profits. Okay? Or if you want to be safe, you don't want to enter to this earning news, you sell all your shares. Okay? You sell all your shares, you got your profits, and then after the news, few days, you see what's going on. If there is a gap up and the stock is still strong, you buy it. If there is a gap down, you are okay because you have taken all your profits and you don't lose anything about for your profits, and this is a good thing for you. Okay? So I see here Samaradi say Apple is a buy. I bought some shares of Asla. Listen, it depends on what you see as stocks, Apple or Twitter or Tesla, or because there are a lot of analysts speaking about them, and some people, they just get carried out with what they say and they buy and they sell accordingly. Okay, so it has nothing to do with what you are talking about. So understand that at the end from this video, okay, that our concern is to see our probabilities that we spoke before. Probability of a trade. It means when you buy something, there are certain probability that you must know, scenarios that can happen. Okay? So you can't ignore that. Yeah, for example, today is the earning news. You can't ignore earning news and you say, I don't care. You can't do that. Because if you have a gap down, you will lose a lot of money. So you should take care of your business. You should decide always what to do, and this is your responsibility as a trader. Okay? You should always think what to do when you are in a situation like this, like the earning news. Now, this is, we have understood this. Another thing, when the news are industry news or analyst news or international news and it affects the market, this you can do nothing. You just exit. There is no other way to do. Okay? Or you stay a few days and you see where the stocks are going. If they are going up again, it means it is just the news. But if the stock market is going to be down more and more and more, it's best to exit and wait and see. Okay? So Samarat said it's hard to find the long term in the market except for few. Yes, but stocks that go for a long trend, if you are not in, how do you know they are short? When you buy a stock following its trend, like in short-term trading, you will never know if this stock will stay longer or shorter than any other stock. So the main thing is to test the stock and stay. So you are not going to trade in the future to see the future after 6 months what happened to the stock, and the best one you buy it now and you are okay, you will make a lot of money. This is not trading, man. This is not trading. No one knows. If you say there are just a few, no, I don't say there are few. I challenge you. Check for. I just did this yesterday. Dow Jones, almost all Dow Jones are go up into a long trend, 2 months long trend. S&P 500 stock, 500 stocks, 2 months going up. Russell 2000, 2 months going up. So if you are not in these stocks, where are you? This is the problem. This is your problem of choosing stocks. This is your problem. You should practice more and more and more to get it right. So these are trading skills that needs time to be good. It's not just you know something and you practice it in 1 day or 2 and then you become good. It's like boxing. It's like boxing. It's like swimming. It's like any other kind of thing that you should work. It's not you work one night in the ring. You do practice in one night, and tomorrow you will be boxing. They beat you up, man. So you should work. You should work 1 year or 2 preparing yourself, and then when you have the strength, and then you can do and fight in a ring. So a business is like that. You need to practice. So if you don't have good strategies, good techniques, you will fail because you are doing the same thing. So since you know that the long trend we have few, this is you that you tell this. But if you go to stocks and you see them from 26 December 2008, try to go and see the chart. Okay? You will find hundreds or thousands of stocks going up. Thousands and thousands. It means you have missed all these thousands and thousands, and you are with losers who are few hundred or 1,000 or 2, just few that are losers. You are with them. So here is the problem. So you said all stocks have V shape. They may collapse again. I don't know the future. No, this V shape that you telling me, this is a reverse of the trend. When the trend reverses, I spoke about it 8 weeks ago, and each week I spoke about it. Okay? So if you don't buy at first, you are not following the market. And you say after 8 months the stock market can collapse. Yes, it can. So what is the problem? When the market goes down, you exit. Or should some people hold the stock market for you until you make money and then you exit and then the stock market collapse? This is what you want? You should be expecting everything as probability in a trade. Okay? So thank you very much for this short, it's like 24 minutes. I'm trying to do it short because we don't have that much people here. So please, on Friday at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, we have our long live session. Okay? So please, if you want to attend, there is much time to talk and to write and to do a lot of stuff. Okay? So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.